Yeah, so, this has been a great, impactful event. I'm actually from Philadelphia, so I drove about an hour to get here just to get some tips and value from the event. So I'm currently an investor, doing this for a couple years, but this event I thought it was great with the little tips and bits that John was able to provide to us. Like he said, a lot of it you can't get from a book or a YouTube video. So his 10 years of experience, 10 plus years of experience was absolutely valuable. There's a lot of tips and tricks that I got, and I plan to discuss with him further about his coaching program and getting more of his value and knowledge that he got from over 10 years of experience. You cannot beat experience, so I think that's something that's extremely valuable. So some of the key takeaways that I got from the business is, number one, obviously, real estate investing, definitely treat it like a business, don't treat it like a hobby. If you treat it like a hobby, you'll get paid like a hobby. Another big trick that I got from it is also with the on the contracting side, in terms of running the numbers. How real estate investing is all about the numbers. It's not about the property itself. It's more about the numbers and creating a profit for yourself. So someone should definitely attend this event to get into real estate investing because of the amount of value that you get from John and his team. And like I said earlier, the tips and tricks that you can't get from a YouTube video, you can't get from a book, is extremely valuable. And like I said, his many years of experience, you can't beat that from a book, you can't beat that from YouTube. And that will allow you to not make the mistakes that common investors make and avoid those pitfalls and traps. Doing it the hard way, trying to do it yourself, you can definitely make it, but it's gonna take you a lot longer and it's gonna cost you a lot more. Some of the mistakes that you can make from not knowing can greatly cost you in real estate investing, because I'm actually experiencing that. On one of my first flips, like I didn't price it right, and I didn't do the rehab strategy as effective as I do now. It cost me on the back end. So to avoid the mistakes, I definitely recommend investing the money to come to these events so you can avoid the costly mistakes on the back end. You spend the money now, it will save you thousands of dollars later. So I definitely recommend that. The way I rate his level of expertise, as you can see, he owns a brokerage, he's an investor, he's also an agent. So he lives and breathes real estate. So that's something you can definitely bank your hat on, that he lives and breathes it, so he knows what he's talking about. And I'm an experienced agent as well, so everything he talks about makes complete sense. And you can see that he loves this stuff and he loves what he do. So that's definitely something you want to attach yourself to, somebody who knows what they're doing.